So despite what you're thinking, this isn't a shoe haul video. It is actually the 6 sandal trends you need this summer and how to style them. But if you love getting style advice and easy fashion tips that you can translate to any aspect of your life without breaking the bank, then please real quick hit the subscribe button, and then when you hit the bell, you become a Bell Babe. And this week's Bell Babe shout out of the video goes to Brittany Good. Thank you so much for watching, hun. And if you want a Bell Babe shout out of your own, make sure to answer the question at the end of this video down in the comments below. Normally I do a little bit of pre-planning and decide which one I'm gonna start with, but I haven't. I wish we could do like a choose your own adventure, like click on this button and I will open this box, but YouTube's not there yet. So we're just gonna start at the top. I don't really know anything about this brand, but these shoes are adorable and they are a great trend. I don't even know if it's like a trend, but anyway, I'm just gonna cut to it before you click off. It's probably the most basic of all the trends that I got, so let's just get it out of the way real quick. It is a double strapped sandal. So the brand for this is Soda. I've never heard of it before, but these are super, super cheap. And just this whole style of a sandal with 2 bands. Sometimes you see the bands in different colors, but especially with sandals too like this that are just kind of your go-to, throw them on, beat them up every summer. I don't like to spend a lot of money on them, but I just like having a nice neutral sandal. These you can pair with like any outfit, jeans, shorts, olive pants, white pants. You can pair these with anything. So if you're going to get a summer staple this summer, this is the sandal to get. All right, so this next trend is something you definitely need in your wardrobe for multiple reasons. The basic trend, I'm gonna call this, is wedges, but these are so much more. They tie at the ankle, which is another great trend, and I'm loving, loving, loving the stripes. They will take your outfit from basic to super, super cute and stylish. I just can't get over how freaking cute they are. My favorite way to style these is pretty much with anything. You could wear them with some really great shorts, really show off your leg. Because you are tying something around the ankle, you are going to be making your leg look shorter. You'll be making your foot look longer, your leg look shorter, the whole thing of you look taller. So it's really important when you have a tie ankle wedge that you're being proportional to the rest of your body. And that changes body type to body type. So for my body type, I can be okay with shorts. Capris might look a little weird. Capris aren't really even in anymore. But anyway, I highly recommend this wedge. I will be linking everything down below so that you can see for yourself too. So this next one is from Sam Edelman. Love his shoes. So now for this next trend, I think the general population has spoken that this kind of sandal is still in, but the trend on this sandal is what sets it apart. And so this one does a great job of kind of killing 2 birds with 1 stone, and that is a clear sandal. So these, as you can see, are ankle strap, chunky heel sandals in nude. You see these kind of sandals everywhere. Everyone wears them. They go with anything. If you don't have a pair yet, this is your chance to invest in some. Sam Edelman makes great shoes, but the overwhelming shoe trend that I keep seeing no matter where I look is the clear. So the reason these sandals are so wonderful is because it blends into the rest of your leg, and it just makes you look taller and leaner, and it goes with everything and makes your outfits look fantastic. But what the clear does is it actually does even more so. It blends in even more into your legs. And so it's just one long, lean leg, and you're just going up and up and up. You can wear these with anything. You can wear these with dress pants. You can wear them to work. You can wear them with a nice dress, jumpsuit, pretty much any outfit you wear this summer, you could wear these shoes. And because they have the nice chunky heel, you will be able to walk within them no problem. We're only halfway done, guys. The next box is from Steve Madden, and these are going to be the it shoes this summer. I can't believe I waited this long into the video to talk about them. So a little known fact about Steve Madden, they have a great rewards program. You get free 2-day shipping. So like I said, everyone is going to be wearing them. They already are, but these are the Steve Madden grease leather sandal. Again, it'll be in the description box below, but these sandals are everywhere and they come in so many colors, so good news. If you don't like black or if you want a different color, chances are they have it. They're another slip-on shoe, and I know I said I like to go for cheap when I do kind of the slip-on knock-around shoes, but sometimes you do just need a nice pair you can slip on if you want to look casual and yet kind of, you know, impressive. They are sort of a dupe for the Hermes sandals that look almost identical to these, but everyone is knocking them off right now. So you can wear them with ankle pants, shorts, skirts, dresses. Black sandals go with so much, and it can really elevate an outfit, and black just always looks good. Don't be scared of the black sandal, embrace the black sandal. All right, we have one box left and 2 shoes to go. So you can tell I got 2 pairs of sandals from Lulu's. I feel like they were a little bit of a steal. Don't tell them I said that so they don't hike up the price. Kind of saving the best for last. I don't think you're supposed to do that in videos. So I could have bought a lot more, but this is not a Lulu's haul. So anyway, so you're going to think this is very similar to a shoe I already showed you, but it's not. It is very different, and I will explain why. So these are ankle tie-up shoes. They are so cute. We have the block heel. We have the open toe. The Aldo shoes, let me get them. The Aldo ones are a wedge. The strap is thicker, and so it goes higher up the leg if you wanted it to. This kind of tie is thinner. It is a more open toe sandal. This is what you kind of dress an outfit up with. This is what makes it kind of a picnicky, springy, summery, daytime look. And I love that even though these are more of a formal dressed up look, that the tie actually can easily be dressed down. So you can wear these with distressed jeans, but they're the perfect kind of transition heel. If you're going out and you're wearing a nice maxi dress or a summer dress at night, these are going to be perfect shoes to grab. If you're looking for something a little more casual, maybe a little more beachy, I love these shoes. All right, so it's time for the shoes I'm really, really excited about. I love all of these. I can't exactly say these ones are my favorite because I love so many of these, obviously. But these ones, I don't know. I'm really excited. Here we are again. Unbox. Oh, well, that was a little anticlimactic, wasn't it? All right, you guys, for the last trend, you're going to be seeing this all over Instagram, I promise you, because the rock studs are coming back in full force for the summer. So these are almost like Valentino rock stud sandal dupes. You're going to see them everywhere. I saw that Vici had a flat sandal version. They are popping up more and more, and so little boutiques are stocking these in droves, and these ones are so cheap, guys. Like, oh, they're so cute, and they're gonna go with so many things. I love, love, love how these look. We have the gladiator effect without it being like taking over your foot gladiator, but this gets the gladiator effect without it going full on gladiator. We have the nod to the Valentino rock studs. And again, we have a nice thick heel, so it's going to be really easy to walk in and still really trendy. You can easily dress these up, of course, with dresses and skirts and anything you wear in the summer. But my favorite thing to pair these with are just a nice pair of jeans. But if you're just looking for a little something to spice up an outfit, these shoes are it. Again, they'll be linked down below. I'm not kidding, the price is amazing. All right, Belle Babes, it is time for your question of the video, and I want to know, what are your favorite sandals to wear during the summer? Now, they can be any of the ones I just mentioned, or maybe that you own a pair that are just your favorites. I want to know about them. Put them in the comments down below to be entered to win a shout out in an upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching. I did a high heels and flats shoe haul a little while ago, so I'll be linking that right here along with another video that I think you'll really love. So thank you so much again. Please like, comment, subscribe. I would love to have you back. I really appreciate you being here and for all of your support. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.